2018 Chevrolet Spark. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its Wi-Fi hotspot, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.